If you have a Pinterest account and you are not making money from it, this video is going to change that. Just this month, guys, in 90 days, I have made $33,421. That's over $1,000 every single day using AI, using Pinterest, using zero paid ads. I'm going to show you the exact system step by step, and I will share with you the one mistake that stops 99% of people from ever making this work. Because if you are making that mistake right now, nothing else in this video will matter. I have been doing this business, guys, for over 7 years now, and I know exactly what's working and what's not. And I'm making over $50,000 a month with affiliate marketing using free traffic from different social media platforms. Just last month, I have made $52,194, as you guys can see here. Okay, this is my payment page. You guys can see my invoice here and recent payment request details. It's paid. I already received this payment in my bank account. Anyway, I'll share with you exactly how you can do affiliate marketing on Pinterest using AI and free traffic. Okay, so you need to watch the video until the end, because if you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions. Okay, so first, for people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing, step number one is you guys need to join an affiliate marketing program. So for me, guys, I'm working with Fiverr affiliates. If you want to join Fiverr affiliates, it's for free, and of course you can do it super easy and simple. You just need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so this will be your home page. You just need to come to this page like this and scroll down, go to company and click over here on affiliates. Okay, like this, and you will be, guys, in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you guys can see here. Okay, you guys can check this website. If you scroll down like this, you can go to commission plan here and you can see how much they are paying. So this is high ticket affiliate marketing program. They are paying, guys, high affiliate commissions. They are paying really high commissions. Okay, so for pro services, guys, they are paying up to 70% of the first order, which is really crazy, guys. Okay, for other services, they are paying up to 25% of the first order, which is very good. Okay, the best part with this affiliate marketing program is that they keep paying you guys 10% of future orders, meaning you will keep earning 10% revenue share for each purchase the buyers make in the next 12 months. So for example, if one person buys service from your affiliate link, you can earn up to 70% of his first order. If the same person will keep buying more services for the next 12 months, for 1 year, you keep earning 10% revenue share for each transaction this person will make on Fiverr. You can turn this into a passive income. You guys can check the commission plan here to get more info. If you want to join this affiliate marketing program, go back to this page and click on join now like this, and here you go. You will be, guys, in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. As you guys can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. So you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, confirm your password, and account type, make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? Click on this one and click on yes. And what you will do here is you need to put your Pinterest profile link. Go and create a Pinterest business account, and you need to post at least between 5 and 10 pins about different Fiverr services. Once you post those pins, make them public on your Pinterest account, then copy your Pinterest profile link and put your Pinterest profile link here. So like this, your account will get approved fast. Okay, once you finish, scroll down and click on country and choose your country from here. You guys can start this business from anywhere. You can start this business from United States, from United Kingdom, from Canada, from Australia, Germany, and so on. Just search for your country from here. Okay, also you can click here and choose your language, and once you finish, you can put here your Telegram account if you have. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. As you guys can see, the sign up process is really super easy and simple. Okay, once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be, guys, your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. You should see here your commissions, your clicks, your CTR, people who used your affiliate link to sign up to Fiverr, and people who used your affiliate link to buy those services that you will start promoting on Pinterest. Okay, it's clear. So what you need to do next, like I said, you need to create a Pinterest business account. If you don't have Pinterest business account, it's super easy. Go to Pinterest, go to Google and search for Pinterest business account like this, and click on the first link. Sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, also guys, if you already have a Pinterest personal account, you can switch your Pinterest personal account into business accounts without creating new Pinterest account. Okay, it's clear. And Pinterest, guys, is search engine platform. It's not like TikTok, it's not like Instagram. It's search engine platform. So what you need to do on Pinterest is you need to focus on SEO. It's all about SEO. Okay, if you are doing good keyword research, and if you are promoting good services that people are already searching for on Pinterest, you can win with this business, and you can start making commissions. Okay, also Pinterest, it's getting 1 billion monthly visitors, guys. You guys can see here, it's a big number. 1 billion monthly visitors. That's really a lot of traffic. And you don't need paid ads, since it's a search engine platform. Focus on SEO. Just you need to create an SEO optimized content that can rank higher on Pinterest, keep getting clicks and making you commissions, and that's it. Okay, so what you will do next, guys, once you finish creating your Pinterest business account, what you will do, you will click here. You need to choose services that you will start promoting here on Pinterest. Okay, so how you can choose services that people will be interested to buy from you. Since Pinterest is search engine platform, it's like Google and YouTube, we will use Pinterest search bar. We will click on the Pinterest search bar, and we will see this bar here. As you guys can see, what we will do here is we will type keyword. Let's type as an example like t-shirt. Here you go. You see, I just typed this keyword, and Pinterest suggests those topics that people are searching for right now on Pinterest. People search for t-shirt design, t-shirt print design, t-shirts design ideas, t-shirts for men, t-shirts mockup. Okay, you can type here any keyword. Let's type logo. Here you go. Logo design, logo ideas. People who search for logo design ideas, they will be interested to buy logo design services. Okay, any keyword, guys. Let's search for social. Here you go. I just typed this keyword. You guys can see I typed this keyword. I have social media design, social media post design, social media marketing. People will be interested to buy services related to those keywords that they are searching for, like social media ads. You see, you can promote social media ad services on Pinterest as a Fiverr affiliate marketer. You can promote also social media manager also as an affiliate marketer with Fiverr. You don't need to have any experience or any skills. Join Fiverr as an affiliate marketer and start promoting their services here on Pinterest, and you can start making commissions. Okay, you can also let's go to the first keyword, t-shirt. Here you go. This one, guys, let me show you this one, t-shirt design. This one, I will promote t-shirt design ideas like this service, guys. What I will do next, I will go back to Fiverr. Go back to your Fiverr homepage, click on the search and search for t-shirt design. Search for services related to what people are searching for on Pinterest. Don't promote services randomly or services that you like or that you think they can work. This business doesn't work like this. You need to promote what people are searching for on Pinterest. That's how you can win. Okay, search for t-shirt design. Once you search for t-shirt design, you will find here a lot of sellers who provide this service on Fiverr. You guys can see here we have a lot. Okay, so what we will do next, we will copy this link, this page link like this. So we need to create our affiliate link. We will copy this link, and what we will do next, we will go back to our Fiverr affiliate homepage. So this Fiverr affiliate homepage here, to your dashboard, and click here on your dashboard. You have dashboard marketing tools report. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be, guys, in this page. Click on deep link and put this page link here. Paste this page link that you copied from Fiverr. Okay, just like this. It's super easy and simple. And once you finish, click on save, and here you go. You just created your first affiliate link. This one, guys, Fiverr Marketplace new plan. Okay, so what you will do next is you need to promote this affiliate link, guys, on Pinterest. Okay, And if you are watching this and you are thinking, okay, but I want someone to actually show me how to build this step by step, that's exactly why I created my AI affiliate marketing course. Inside, I show you how to use the latest AI tools to build both Fiverr and Amazon affiliate income streams, find profitable opportunities, create content faster using AI, and get traffic without relying on paid ads. Okay, so instead of spending a month jumping between random YouTube videos and trying to figure everything out yourself, you can follow the exact system I teach my students. They are making good results. I share everything in my YouTube channel here. So if you are serious about turning AI and affiliate marketing into a real income stream, feel free to reach out to me in my email address. It's in my video description and I'll send you all the details. Okay? Anyway, once you create your affiliate link, you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So we will go to Pinterest. Okay, let's go back to your Pinterest homepage and click on home feed and click on create pin. Okay, you need to create an SEO optimized pin using AI. Okay, I'll show you how we can do it. It's super easy and simple. So what we need to do next is we need to start with Pinterest pin picture, and we need to create a high quality viral Pinterest pin picture, and we will use AI. Okay, so pay close attention please. So what you will do next, you will go to ChatGPT. So just go to ChatGPT guys and ask him to give you guys a viral prompt to send to Google Gemini to create a viral Pinterest pin ad picture that you will use to promote your design Fiverr services on Pinterest. Okay, and ChatGPT guys will create this viral prompt. As you guys can see, you will copy this prompt from here and you will go back to Google Gemini. Go back and open your Google Gemini account. Click here on this icon and choose create image. Okay, once you choose create image, paste here your ChatGPT prompt and click on submit, just like this. Okay, and Google Gemini will create a viral ad Pinterest pin picture that you will use to promote t-shirt design Fiverr services on Pinterest. Okay, and here you go guys, your viral Pinterest pin ad picture, it's done. You guys can see here, let's check it. It's a very good. You guys can see here your t-shirts idea designer, people want to buy custom t-shirt design made for your brand, which is very good. So what we will do, we will download this. Click here to download this Pinterest pin picture to your laptop. Okay, and what you will do is you need to post this Pinterest pin picture in your Pinterest account. Okay, I'll show you how you can do it. And what you will do next guys, you will go back to Pinterest and click here and upload your Pinterest pin picture in your Pinterest account, just like this. Okay, you need an SEO optimized title and you need an SEO optimized description. What we will do, we will go back to Google Gemini. So just go back guys to Google Gemini and ask him guys to give you an SEO optimized pin title and description for this pin, and Google Gemini will give you guys an SEO and optimized pin title and description. The pin title may have a character max. This one, the pin title, here is your pin title. You guys can see here custom t-shirt design, which is very good. I will copy this title and go back to Pinterest and just put this title here. Okay, you need description. Go back to Google Gemini. This is pin description, which is very good. Copy this pin description like this and go back to Pinterest and put this description here. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to put here your affiliate link. Of course, you will not put your affiliate link directly here, and this is the mistake that 99% of people they are doing. Okay, this is wrong. If you are posting affiliate links directly on Pinterest, you will get zero traffic and you will make zero commission. You need to create a landing page or an affiliate website. Okay, and once you create your landing page or your affiliate website, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. You will copy your affiliate link from here and you will go back to Pinterest and you will put this affiliate link inside your landing page or inside your affiliate website. Then you can put here your website link or your landing page link. If you are doing this mistake, you will make zero commission. Okay, so please use a landing page or an affiliate website. This is a safe way to promote affiliate links on Pinterest. Okay, then you can put here your landing page link or your affiliate website link. I hope it's clear. Okay, don't do this mistake. Don't promote affiliate links directly on Pinterest. Okay, Then once you finish, you will scroll down. So here everything is good, you don't need to add anything more. Here tags, they are not important. Those keywords that you will put here, you need to use them in your Pinterest pin description. So what you need to focus on, it's your title, the keyword that you are using in your title, and the keyword that you are using in your description. That's it. Once you finish, you will click on publish, and here you go. You just published your first affiliate link on Pinterest. That's exactly, guys, how you can make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing using AI and free traffic. Okay, if you want to learn more about this business, I do have, like I said, AI affiliate marketing course where I teach you how you can use all social media platforms to double your traffic and double your commissions. You can't use just Pinterest, you can also use YouTube, you can use Quora, you can use Reddit, you can use Instagram, you can use TikTok, you can use, and so much more to get free traffic. You don't need to use any paid ads, you don't need to pay for any ads. Okay, just use, you need just to create a good and SEO optimized content, publish it on social media, and you will start making commissions. And of course, you need to do keyword research, you need to find good services that people will be interested to buy. You don't need to promote just this service, guys. If you don't know which services to promote, always go back to Fiverr like this, and you will see here trending. You see this option, guys? And if you guys click on trending, you will see all trending services that of course you need to promote. Okay, if you don't know which services to promote, this is the best and the profitable service that you should start promoting right now if you want to start making commissions. This is here, you guys go to trending. Here you go, book design, book editing, TikTok shop setup, TikTok shop maintains, live shopping, AI UGC, and so much more. Also, you can promote AI services. Let me show you. Go to AI services. They are very profitable and trending right now. AI services, focus on AI services. AI, all AI services, all AI tools, they are anything related to AI, it's trending. Okay, and you can also promote those AI services. You guys can see here we have AI mobile apps, AI website and software, AI chatbot, AI agent, and so much more. So if you promote and if you are using this method and this system that I shared with you here in this video, you can start making your first commissions. And if you want to take this business seriously and you want to get direct access to me like my students, feel free to reach out to me in my email address. It's in my video description, like I said, and I'll send you all the details. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please just leave it in the comments, and see you in the next one.